Toucan. This is Toucan. It has a very big beak. Where are the toucans? Go and look for them. I found them! Toucans live in a tree in a jungle. This opening is a bit small. Enlarge it so that the toucan can live in it. What a fabulous new house! The baby toucans are hatched. Daddy toucan is going out to look for food. The toucan loves scampering from branch to branch. And it loves eating small fruits. Help it find some small fruits. Tap on the firm branch so that it can jump forward. Daddy Toucan has found so much food! Daddy Toucan has brought back so much delicious food! Baby toucans are having a great time feasting. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Toucan. Let's play again next time.